How did I get this job is thanks to Glion and thanks to the career and internship department. I was searching for many offers, and when I've talked with the people in charge of this department, they told me, oh, maybe we have something for you because we know some people who are working in this company. So they contacted my manager, and then I had a first Skype interview, and then I came to Geneva to meet her. When you're started with Glion, you will have many courses and it will help you to develop yourself. For example, we had some session with the career and internship departments, and we created our own CV with the templates, the Glion's templates. We develop ourselves, how to communicate and how to present ourselves during recruitment day. Every semester you will have the recruitment day. During one day you will have around 100 companies who will come to the campus, and with whom you will be able to network. Networking is really something important with Glion, and you have all this support to help you during all your courses with Glion. From the different opportunities I had with Glion, I had the chance to participate to different conferences, one in Paris and one in Geneva. And what is really funny is my current manager with whom I'm working, I met her there a few months ago, and it was really funny because I will never imagine that in March I will work with her and in the same department. I've just started 2 weeks ago with Richemont. I'm an HR trainee for a period of 10 months. My first impression as I'm new for working in HR and the luxury world is wow. Every time someone is asking about Richemont, I'm it's something big, something wow. What I like is I'm in touch with many people. I'm doing many tasks, and it's always different tasks, so I'm learning a lot about it. I'm developing new skills and I'm able to support people. I've decided to choose in human resources because for me the human capital, so people are the main asset of a company. So without people you can do what you have to do, and especially in hospitality. Human resources department is something challenging. So you are learning every day and you have to deal with innovation, creativity, so it's something who's moving fast.